So first of all, I would like to thank JGF for the opportunity that they gave me and all the other players to go to Egypt. I'm so excited to make so many new friends, experience and get to play at like a new course that I've never been to before. It's like my first international tournament that I'm going to, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to play good golf and make so many new friends and make my country proud.
Our expectations is hopefully mostly to have a good time, enjoy the course, enjoy the game, but also hopefully we can bring a trophy home, inshallah. So it's just, you just have to focus together as a team, but also it's the same thing, individual performances, because you're not playing together. Like, you have to perform individually in order to win.
We have been seeing all other disciplines being kitted. We have seen the football teams, the athletic teams, volleyball teams, swimming teams. They even have costumes underwater, which a lot of people don't see. And us who play on the ground, we didn't have anything. In fact, Kenya Golf Union has been purchasing all the kits that we've been using. And we now hope, with the support that we've been having from the Ministry of Sports, Culture and Heritage.
Thank you. We wish you well. We wish you a victory.